This is a quick tutorial about my focused time tracker template. I'll show you what the tracker can do, how to download it for free, and how to set it up and use it. This is the tracker. Let's say you're working on a project, for example, video editing. To stay productive and consistent, you set a goal for how many hours you want to spend on video editing this week. When you start working, you press Start Session, and when you take a break or finish, you press End Session. Above that, there's also a stopwatch so you can see exactly how long you've been working. This system helped me a lot because you can clearly see how much time you've worked and how much of your goal you've already done in percent. Okay, enough talking. How can you download it for free? Go to the first link in the video description. You'll come to this page. Here you can decide if you want to support me with a donation or get the template for free. If you want it for free, just enter 0 in this field and click Add to Cart. Now type in your email address and again, $0. On this page, I would really love it if you could leave a rating and a short review for the tracker. That's free and helps me a lot. If you're new to Notion, I recommend watching these 2 videos first and then coming back when you've signed up for a Notion account. Once that's done, click Download Template. The next page may look different depending on which device you're using. Click the symbol in the top right corner to duplicate the template. Log into your Notion account if needed, and add the template to your workspace. You'll find the tracker on the left side. You can delete this text by clicking the 6 dots next to it. To change your weekly goal, click on the number here and enter the amount of hours you want. Sometimes it happens that you start a session but forget to stop it. In that case, go to Focused Time Database after you ended your session. There you can adjust the end time manually. When you're done, just close the database again. I hope everything is clear now. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment.